Hello everyone. Today I will do the 15th week's demo, and I used around 20 hours in the past week, finish some new features, and let's get started. So the first thing I want to share is I implement the share post feature. So there is a share button before, but it never be finished. And in the past week, I make it like when the user click this button, you can share this post page as an image, like here, like a card, and you can send to your friends in any social media app, also in the messages. This is the first feature I finish. And the second one is I implement the feature to take photos. So in the before we have this take photo icon, but it never works. And in the past week, I add some function, and right now if you click that, you can take photos. As most photo take by the phone, the size may be larger, so I will compress the entire image to 0.5 size. After I click use photo and tap something and post, then we can see the photo we can see this photo post on our Me screen or the home Expo screen. So this is the second feature I finish. And the third one is I use some feature to filter unhealthy information for those posts with image. The mainly code is at the backend, like after the user upload an image in the database, I can check what my backend code find in this image and will be saved as labels. So right now I will check what's the label in this new post. I can see it says costume, person, publication, book, glove, pants, poster. So at this moment there is no unhealthy content, but I can still set this post with some unhealthy content and let you know what it looks like if it has some unhealthy information. So right now I will just update in the database that this post will not be approved. After I click the save button, let's scroll down to refresh the home page, and we can see that post just disappeared. It means except the poster, other user will not see that kind of post, but the poster can still see the post at their Me screen or their profile page. So it will have a label said sensitive content here. So this is what I made for filter those unhealthy posts. And right now I will just change it back to make this post be approved. And then we refresh the home page and we can see this post again, and the label, sensitive content label, is removed. So this is the third feature I finished in the past week. And the last one is I create a custom image picker or editor. The reason I make that is I was using Expo image picker before, and you can see on the iOS system it only allows you to take the image in square, I cannot change it to like rectangle, but I do not want that. I need a rectangle for the background photo. So I create a image editor. It looks not very clearly here because the image is very bright and the border color is also bright. So I will use another this one, another image here. So you might see I have a how to say that, maybe a crop, like user can crop the image and it always in a rectangle, and you can move it. You can click the points, these 4 points, to resize it, and you can save the image in the correct size you need if you are an iOS user. So this is what I made in the past week, and thank you for watching my video, and hope you enjoy the weekend. Bye bye.